Good morning, good afternoon, good middle of the night. This is Michelle Williams, your Survey123 Jedi. And I am so excited to share with you version 4 of Survey123. I lovingly call it Survey123.4, just because it sounds pretty amazing to me. This time, because we've already done this once, we're going to do repeats, and we're going to see my normal process for my classes with a survey with repeats and see how far we can go before we break it. And let's get started, my friends. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what Survey123 version 4 looks like. Thank you, Esri, for asking me to beta test it before the beta. This is going to be fun for me. I did this last weekend, and so I'm just checking to see if any of the little changes have been made. It still looks like it's in version 4.0012. So that's what I was on last week. So we're just going to go through it and see what happens. I'm going to put a new survey in here. We're going to go to files. We're going to grab my file with repeats. And that's right here. That's right here with the repeats. And so this one, we can call it, I'm actually going to call it 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the great thing is this does not go into my normal folder, my design folder. They've set up a specific folder just for this alpha test, so I'm not messing up anything that I have going on with the other versions. So I'm going to just say create and see what happens. It looks and feels amazing, doesn't it? Okay, this is the one I just did a few minutes ago. This is the repeat. And what's great is they've actually been making some changes, and I didn't have to download a new piece of software because some of these changes we've already asked them to fix, and I noticed they're fixing them already. So let's see. This is as big, they're as small as we can get this frame right here. We're hoping that they will fix that because I like mine smaller, because I don't need that much real estate for the GUI. I need all the real estate for Survey123, the spreadsheet. So looking at all of this, this all looks good. Had a household, still going to work on some, the mask. There is a mask behind this. It's not working quite yet. So we'll send this video to them and they can check it out. Everything else is working. And if you didn't see the previous video, I just kind of walked you through what this is. It's my mom and I scrapbook. So it's easy for us to send this out right before school starts and have all of our family go through it and add their addresses, phone numbers, and pictures, so that we always have a picture before school starts. And it's all in the cloud. So we can make little pages if we want from the feature reports. But really, we just want to grab the pictures and the data and put it in a scrapbook. So it's really for us. But down here, it actually has things that the kids like, or all family members. What's your social media, school, or your hobbies, snacks, t-shirts. And if you can kind of see what's going on with this, we want to know what we should buy them for Christmas or birthdays and all the holidays and things like that. We actually like to put this out before August because we have August is the month with everybody's birthdays in it. So this is a nice way to get everything nice in a bow, and then we can have the rest of the year. And all of this should be very similar. Cool codes. This is some code we have. And then I have some hyperlinks, and then it pulls the data specifically from the app, the login app. So it's going to tell you exactly what version you're on. I love all of that. So here, we looked at, this is a forms, and then there's details. That's the only thing they give us so far. It's a beautiful start. So let's go in and see what our thumbnail does, because it used to go to system 32. It goes to downloads, and I think that's because I trained it last week, which is phenomenal, because if I trained it to do something, that's probably where it goes all the time. So here's our media folder. Our media comes right in. Beautiful. I love that. Love, love, love. Thank you so much, Esri. Let's try and publish it, see what happens. All right, it says it's going to publish. Let's see what our options are. same things we used to have, analysis. It doesn't look like that's quite ready yet, and that's okay. We appreciate that it's going to be here. And then publishing complete. Okay, let's go see if we can see it. Where am I going? I think we'll go in here and here. Sign in. Fingerprint. And content. And we're going to go to modify and modify. And it still doesn't show up. We expected that. They didn't have that ready for us last week either. So everything's as expected. Thank you, Esri, so much. I'm super excited to keep going. So that's all we have for you today. I just wanted to kind of share that with you and show you what's going on. We play with this inside my community. And if you have some code that might be really, really heavy code that you worked on for like 6 months to get Survey123 to work the way you wanted it to, and you're not sure it's going to work in the new version, let's try it out. Ping me. I'll just come in and do a little demo for you and we can play with it, because we want this to be optimal before they go into beta. If it's optimal before beta, that means it's going to be an amazing alpha release. So come with me on this journey. I'm so excited. You guys have a beautiful weekend. I'm going to go spend some time with my family because it's a great day to be with my family. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.